Alright, hello again everybody. So, I got home from work today and I got my third package that I've been waiting for. So, should be my lanlan 2x2, so we'll find out. Some bubble wrap. Invoice. Okay. So here is lanlan 2x2. Pretty weird box. It says Blue Magic on it. And it's got a little 3x3 cube on the top. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's open this up. And it's taped. This is kind of weird. Has a purple side instead of orange. So we've got a red and a purple. And then just white, yellow, blue and green. So turning. Oh wow, this is really nice. This is really smooth. This is a lot faster than my Shangshao. Doesn't cut corners, but that's okay. Let's see if I can. So yeah, this is first impressions. This cube is really nice. It moves very nice, and can't wait to start having solves with this cube. This will be my main 2x2. So yeah, I'll mess around with this, and maybe I'll make a review of this in my next video. So hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you later. Bye bye.